Global Smart Window Market Report, Forecast to 2025. Global Smart Window Market is expected to register a CAGR of 17.8%, witnessing substantial growth during the forecast period. The market was valued at United States dollars $2.87 billion in 2017. It is expected to reach United States dollars $9.83 billion by 2025. Market Research Future, in its report, covers segmentation and drivers to provide a better glimpse of the market in the coming years. The Electrochromic technology segment was the fastest growing market and is projected to register the highest CAGR of 19.7% during the forecast period. North America accounted for the largest market value of United States dollars $844 million in 2017. The market is expected to register a CAGR of 19.6% during the forecast period. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.